in a while. It was a beautiful day though. We had really good weather in Jersey last week. The last week or so, it's been really good weather. So I put my phone in my pocket. I got a new phone. I got the S10. I usually use my RAM mount, but I didn't buy the case yet. And I'm just like, what if it bounces out? So I have it shoved in my pocket. And the friend told me, what if it slides out your pocket when you're riding? You know, when you're riding, your leg is like up. They were like, what if it slides out your pocket? Now, I was like, don't say that. I don't think it's gonna slide out my pocket. It's a little extra. It's light long. Anyway, I'm on my way to the lottery store. Fucking taxi cab drivers. Yesterday, it was like 90 degrees yesterday. This road right here has a big hole on the way back. Wake up, Betsy, wake up. This is why I don't go around cars. There we go. Alright. Play my lottery. The lottery tickets tonight, it was like, what, 300 and some change million. I want to win. Tell you what, if I win, I'll do a giveaway of any bike. Well, like I think I'll do a tally and see what bike you guys want me to give away if I win the lottery. And I'll give it away to one of you guys. And I'm back. And I'm back. Got my lottery tickets secured in the pocket. ticket secured. I didn't mention it, but like last week I decided I wanted to ride. I did a stupid thing. If I would have recorded it, you guys would have all flamed me. But basically what happened was I was going on a trip. not too far. It was in the middle of the day. It was nice like this where I am in South Jersey. And then I decided that, hey, let me go up to, you know, North Jersey and do what I got to do. Since it's such a nice day. And let me not take my car, let me take the bike. Why not, right? I haven't rode in a while. So I said, let's do this. So I took the bike up there. As I'm going, like, I checked the weather. I always told you about checking the weather. How we check the weather as bikers a lot. And I checked the weather and it said it wasn't gonna rain. It was gonna rain that day, but it was gonna rain at like midnight. And this is like 7 o'clock and I was only going about a distance of 50 miles. So I said, I got this, no problem. And I proceeded on my way. You can't drive. You got on, you got. Okay. And thus I avoided that whole situation. Anyway, I decided to drive. I said, this is a good idea, Tim. Why not take the bike? So I took the bike. It's about 50 miles away, like I said. And as I'm going north, the skies went from beautiful skies like this, and it started to get dark. It got gray skies about 20 miles up. And I was like, gray, okay. I got till 11 to 12 before it starts raining. Dummy. I didn't and as I kept going north, it got darker and darker. When I finally reached my destination, it was so dark. It was horrible, guys. It was horrible. It was super dark skies. As soon as I got to my destination, it started raining. I was like, ugh. And not like a drizzle, it was pouring. So I decided I'd crash and waste about an hour. So I thought I'd crash and waste about an hour until it died down. Now, it got to like 10. The rain subsided, And I said to myself, if I'm gonna go, I better go now. It just stopped raining out of nowhere. I was like, I thought it was a sign from God. Oh, Camaro. Fuck me up. What is going on today? Anyway, I thought it was like a sign from God when the rain subsided, and I said, if I don't get out of here now, Tim, you're not gonna make it. By the time I get home, you know, the roads were already wet, so I didn't want to go too fast on the way back. It was on all highway miles. It wasn't a good look. And I decided to go when the rain stopped for a brief second, so I jumped on the parkway. The highway. Start riding home because the rain stopped. And no, I kid you not, 5 miles from where I started to ride, it started to open up again. And at that point, I was an idiot because I was like, okay, I didn't, you know where I messed up? I didn't look at the weather where I was going. I just looked at the weather where I was. then it started to rain, and I caught up with the rain, first of all, and then I proceeded to follow it all the way to my house. It was horrible. Completely and utterly horrible, guys. Moral of the story? Check weather on both locations before you make a trip anywhere on a bike. I was soaked from head to toe. My gear was soaked. I was soaked. I was sopping wet. And yeah. Oh, it was lightning and thundering. It was really crazy. If I was recording, I didn't record, but if I was recording, if I had known, I probably would have never went if I known it was going to rain like that. I knew it was going to rain, but if I knew I was going to get caught in the rain, I took the car, or I would have just postponed what I had to do. So that was my experience of one of the scariest rides. The traction control kicked in. Riding at 80 miles an hour in torrential rains is not ideal. Felt it slide a little, but all the functions worked on the bike. And if I probably had bought a 250 or just a 1000 without all the bells and whistles, like this one has all the safety features, I probably would have crashed my bike. I don't see many people riding in thunderstorms. They usually just pull over, which I should have, thinking about it now, I should have just pulled over. I just didn't want to wait under a bridge for, like, you know, for the whole duration of a storm. It's a little crazy. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one.